Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, click on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber.
Monday, July 4th, 11 a.m. New York time. Happy holidays. Since last week, we finished the monthly charts. Let's look at those monthly charts. We'll include the equity indexes. What are equity indexes? They're stock indexes that include one or more companies to make it an index. Several of those indexes are in one larger index. That's the S&P 500 stock index. Inside the S&P 500 stock index includes the NASDAQ 100, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, Dow Utilities, Russell 2000, S&P 100. Well, also in that S&P 500 index, which I just mentioned, 5 indexes that are in there, the S&P 500 index is including 11 sectors. 11 sectors. We'll go over those. Sectors also have industries in those. I'm not going to go over those today, but we'll also go over the very popular FANG Plus stocks. Again, we'll look at each chart on a monthly time frame. Here we go with the S&P 500. So last week had one trading day for the new month. So we're looking at the prior candle here. S&P 500 closed red for the month, made a lower high, lower low. The trend is down. It's doing a retracement of this higher time frame. NASDAQ 100 also red, lower low, lower high. Very similar setup. Dow Utility, yeah, red for the month, lower low, lower high, and doing that retracement. The Dow Transports, red for the month, lower low, lower high, doing retracement. And the Dow Utilities, interesting. It's red for the month, made a lower low, lower high. Huge trading range, very volatile. Tested the swing low and the low of this year. That was the low of this year. And rejected and went up. So we take away this horizontal line. This is the new low for the year. Right there, but it rejected it. Why it rejected it? Of course, buyers stepped in. Buyers stepped in for some reason that they feel that's a good investment at that price level. Yep. Huge swing. Well, the Russell 2000, red for the month, lower low, lower high, new low for the year it made. Yep, new low for the year. Again, the Russell 2000 is not inside the S&P 500. It's smaller value companies. Also, look what the Russell 2000 did. This big candle from 2020 was a monthly midpoint. We tested it, we touched it, traded below it, and closed above it. That's interesting. Yep. So again, we had buyers step in here. We'll see if that works out for a reversal. So let's just zoom in each and see if there's something significant points out on those monthly candles. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Well, These top three, did they make new lows for the year? These bottom two made new lows for the year, and the bottom right made new lows for the year. That's bearish on that perspective. Okay. And these yellow candles are that one trading day for the month of July. But again, we'll have more trading days when it opens tomorrow. The US stock market opens tomorrow, 9:30 a.m. New York time. Let's go look at those sectors in the S&P 500. And I'm doing the order of them from the largest. When I say the largest, that's the one that represents the largest percentage of the S&P 500. I'm going to say the symbols phonetically. So this symbol is X-ray Lima Kilo, red for the month, lower low, lower high, trending down to retracement. XLV, that lower low, lower high, took out that swing low, rejected it. Let's remove this. XLF, also lower low, lower high, came into this key level. Here, it was a resistance, broke above it, supply, test that right now. We'll see if we get a reversal. XLY, red for the month, lower low, lower high. XLC, again, red for the month, lower low, lower high, which a huge sell-off that started to occur since last year. Not this year. That trend sold off already as early as last year, where some indexes and sectors actually made new highs this year, beginning of the year, then roll over. So this one gave an earlier single. It had problems. XLI, red for the month, lower low, lower high. Still above midpoint. It hasn't come down here yet. XLP, yep, lower low, lower high, made a new low for the year. XLE, huge trading range. It made a new high for the year. And then it closed down below, already labeled midpoint. Totally different than the other stocks because it's been trending up. Again, prior month made a new high for the year. XLE, outstanding. So that's leadership there. You may not like what that sector is. You may not like the companies in that sector. Again, numbers don't lie. When the media or talking heads tell you the market's declining, it's in the worst shape, ask them which market and ask them to explain which sectors. Ignorance is bliss, but we know those people are not ignorant. They're stupid and they have an agenda. Yeah. So again, we already seen right here, we have a financial instrument made a new high for the year. Opportunities have been here to make money, even in this market. XLU, red for the month, lower low, lower high, tested the swing low and rejected it. XLRE, red for the month, lower low, lower high, yep, broke below and traded below this key demand zone. XLB, huge trading range, broke below this consolidation, closed below it. Yep, here's the low of last year, getting much closer to it. Already labeled the midpoint there. And that was where the sectors. Let's go look at the FANG Plus stocks. Apple, Alpha Alpha Papa Lima. Yep, also made a new low for the year. Microsoft also made a new low for the year. Coming close to that consolidation area. Wow. Alpha Mike, Zulu November, Amazon. No, it did not take out that low there. So that low there was the prior low for the month. So actually what it did here last month was make a higher high, took out that high, made a higher low. That's good. Here is the demand zone here. Buyers stepping here. Sellers are still up here. Buyers are stepping in there. Opportunities. It's like a slow grind down because consolidation, breakdown, consolidation. It's either going to break up or down. Meta, Mike Echo Tango Alpha, former stock symbol, FB, Facebook. Red for the month, lower low, lower high, new low for the year, not good. Wow. Yep, look at that. It's getting closer to the low of 2020. Google company, Alphabet, but the stock symbol is still Google. Golf, Oscar, Oscar, Golf. Building a wedge, inside candle, inside candle, indecision. Has a higher probability. If you're bearish bias, it's going to break out to the downside. Yep. Tango Sierra Lima Alpha, Tesla, inside candle. Demand zone, buyers stepping in here. Again, interesting. It made a lower high, but did not break out that low. You think we're going to have a reversal? So look at here, inside candle, broke up to the upside, nice trend up for 3 months. Is that what's going to occur here? Are you bullish? What are you basing your bullish on? Where's your trigger? Where's your entry? I see opportunities here right now. Yep, opportunities. You can share the information, but if you sit on the sideline, I don't understand how you're going to make income on it. November Victor Delta Alpha, nope. Last month was lower high, lower low, and already that one trading day in this month of July, new low for the year. Yep, bad shape. Netflix, November Foxtrot Lima X-ray. Tight consolidation range, small trading range, but that red candle actually made a higher high, higher low than that prior month. So that green candle, that was a low of the year. Yep. Massive consolidation building here. Higher probability is going to break at some point and go lower. Bravo Alpha, green for the month, higher high, higher low. So this is one of the better positive ones, because all the way back here on this month in March, that's when it made the low of the year. It's already turned around and stayed above that. So I label this as a demand zone of buyers. Opportunities make money right here, doing bull put spreads down here with options. So consolidation. Look, it's making a faster turnaround than our big US companies. That's interesting. So there are opportunities to be buying as well as shorting. Many thanks for watching.